Hi there! In this video, I'll tell you exactly what you need to fertilize your carrots with right now so that they start growing as quickly as possible. In previous videos, I've already shown you how to fertilize carrots to achieve this result. It has grown a good green mass and has already begun to form a root crop. I left a link to the video in the upper right corner of the tips to show you what and how I fertilized 2 weeks ago. Now that the carrot root is already visible above the soil surface, you need to fertilize with phosphorus and potassium fertilizers. Potassium monophosphate is best for this. Either 2 full teaspoons or 1 tablespoon without a slide should be added to 10 liters of water. It is a concentrated phosphorus and potassium fertilizer containing 52% phosphorus and 34% potassium. It effectively provides carrots with these important elements. Mix the fertilizer well, let it brew for a minute, and then go fertilize. For those who didn't know, phosphorus promotes the development of the root system, and since carrots are a root vegetable, they will quickly increase in size. Potassium in turn will contribute to the accumulation of sugar in carrots and improve their taste. We still have time to make 2 such fertilizations before harvest, one now and another in 2 weeks, with the same dosage. The root crop is already quite large, and after the next feeding it will become even larger. Before fertilizing, you need to water the bed well in the evening so that the moisture penetrates deep into the soil. Only then should you apply the fertilizer, then it will reach even the smallest, deepest roots, which feed the carrots. Consumption of the working solution is 10 liters per 2 square meters of garden bed. This is quite enough, provided that the soil is well moistened beforehand. So friends, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the release of new videos. Do this fertilizing and you are guaranteed to get a very large and tasty carrot crop this year. I wish you a good day and see you in the next videos.